consolidators work? So they work a hub and spokes model. So what that means is, I'm from Maryland, so I'm going to use Maryland as an example. So Baltimore, think of it as the hub. And, you go off of Catonsville, Dundalk, out all around, Baltimore, then you've got this hub. So they're going to first try to buy shops in Baltimore and then develop, all the way out. Well, every consolidator that's in that market is going to have to do the same thing. So whether it's Gerber, whether it's Caliber, whether it's Vive, whether it's Quality Collision Group, Joe Hudson, whoever it is, they ultimately all have to build out. If they decide that their target market's going to be Baltimore, they're also going to have to build out around that, if that makes sense. One thing is true about consolidation: it is constantly evolving, it is constantly changing, and I could do a valuation today for a client, and next week something changed and the value changed drastically. So how it works is, let's just say that the consolidators are focused on Baltimore, for example, and the surrounding markets. Once they have, for lack of better words, developed that area, collected the shops that they want to buy, they pack their bags and they move on to another area. Does that make sense? So what happens is, when there's 2 or 3 consolidators in one market and they are trying to buy, you've got more competition, and then that's what drives values. In addition to, obviously, financials and other things. But when you hear about these crazy deals that people get, first off, I'll tell you, a lot of times it's BS, people just blowing smoke. But a lot of these crazy deals, that's what's driving them, is lots of buyers, lots of competition.